Considering ordering a FlexiSpot desk? I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and I got a motorized sit-stand desk called the FlexiSpot E7 here, and I love it. It is so much better for my body, but one of the big questions I had before placing my order was what's involved in putting it together. In this video, I'll show you how I assembled my FlexiSpot desk, and it was easier than I thought, and it didn't take that long at all. The full review, by the way, of this desk is here on my YouTube channel, and you can check it out for all the details about how it works and whether or not I can recommend it for you. About a week after placing my order, the FlexiSpot desk arrived at my home in two pieces. The desktop surface was in its own box, and the legs and accessories were in a second, very large and heavy box. I wasn't quite sure what to expect when it comes to the assembly. I unpacked all the pieces and took a look at what I had. The metal legs for the desk and the platform the surface will sit on are all made of powder-coated metal, and they are extremely heavy. This was actually a pleasant surprise since I wasn't expecting this desk to feel so substantial and well built. The instructions that come with the desk are the pictographic type. I did have to squint at a couple of the diagrams to ensure I was doing things correctly, but much to my surprise, the desk came together quite easily. FlexiSpot has labeled everything clearly and all the parts fit together perfectly. Even the bag of bolts and screws is labeled so you know exactly where each one should go. In a nutshell, you'll build the platform the desk will sit on first, then you'll add the motorized legs. The feet go on next, and then you attach the electronic components to the control box before finally capping off the underside of the desk with an enclosed cable management tray that keeps everything really tidy. I was really impressed with how easy the desk was to build. The hardest part was carefully flipping it over and getting it upright so I could move it into place. In total, I had the desk fully assembled and ready to use in under 1 hour. And if you have someone to help you out, it'll probably take a lot less time than that. With easy assembly, clear instructions, I can say FlexiSpot made this desk assembly really easy. I've now had my FlexiSpot desk for about a month now, and I really like it. I think it's a great product, and I can definitely recommend it to you.